Hi students, I am Dr. Saha from Software Engineering Buddhism online classes, and today in this lecture we are going to discuss about the generation of computers, which is the most important chapter for computer studies. This is the basic topics. It is most necessary to know about the students which want to know the information technologies. And first of all, we must need to know about automated word generation. Computer, we all are knowing, computer is an electronic machine which always works by the help of electricity. Without electricity, computer cannot work. It is the IPS cycle. And what is generation? In Nepali, we are knowing Pidhi Pusta. Similarly, what is my father's father, grandfather's father. That is called the generation in human beings. Similarly, in computer technology, that means the word generation indicates the step in technology. And each generation has different technologies. There are 5 types of technology are available into the market development. Number 1, first generation of computer, second generation of computer, third generation of computer, fourth generation of computer, and fifth generation of computer. And all the generation has the different technologies. First generation of computer is the oldest technology and all technologies. After some days, second generation of computer invented. After some days, 5-6 years later, third generation of computer invented. After some days later, fourth generation of computer invented. At last, finally, we are working into the artificial intelligence, which is the latest technology. Now, that the definition, the word generation indicates a stage in technology. Each generation has different technologies. Different technologies. Especially technology means simply many persons, many students and teachers also are in confusion of what is technology. In normal, you have to understand that technology is the machine. Technology is the device which is the requirement according to our culture. That is in modern, we are in modern technology. We have to use the artificial intelligence. Okay? And the 5 types of technology and 5 types of technology are using the different generations. There are 5 types of technology. Are using. Which is given below. Okay. Number 1, first generation of computer. First generation of computer. Now we are going to discuss about the first generation of computer. The computer produced between 1946 to 1958 is called the first generation of computer. And it was huge in size. All the computers which was used the first generation of computer technology, that is the vacuum tubes. First generation of computer uses what? Vacuum tubes. Okay. These all the computers which used vacuum tube technology is called the first generation of computers. And all the computers which are produced between 1946 to 1958 AD. This is the period of computers, and all those computers which are produced between this period 1946 to 1958 is called the first generation of computer. And the different examples of first generation of computer: ENIC, UNIVC, EDVAC, EDSAC, ABC. These all computers are called the first generation of computers. and slowly we cannot cooperate every operation in first generation of computer, so scientists invent the second generation of computer. Okay, the first generation of computer, what are the advantages? Many advantages and some disadvantages are where the first generation of computer, it was too much large in size, slow operating speed, more heat generated, not working fast. These all were the disadvantages of the first generation of computer, so scientists invented second generation of computer. Second generation of computer. Now we are going to discuss about the second generation of computer. The computer produced between 1959 to 1964. What is the period? 1959 to 1964 AD. That means all the computers which was invented between this period, that means between 1959 to 1964, is called the second generation of computer. IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machine. Okay, it is a company, last type of the company of Asia. IBM 1401, IBM 365. Okay, these are called the second generation of computers. Okay, so these the periods, then all those computers which was invented between this period is called the second generation of the computers. And what are the advantages of second generation of computers? It was faster than the first generation of computer, fast operating speed, less heat generated. Okay, it is the more portable than the first generation of computer. Portable means we can easily move from one place to other place. Okay, the second generation of computer. Second generation of computer uses which technology? Transistor technology. Transistor technology. Especially what is the transistor? Now we will discuss about the transistor. Vacuum tube is the technology of first generation of computer. Transistor is the technology of second generation of computer. So one question is created. Why transistor technology is used? Because vacuum tube technology cannot do all types of the works. Because it was the old technology. So transistor is the latest technology of the vacuum tube, new technology than vacuum tube, and one transistor can do the work of 1000 vacuum tubes. That means it has the capacity of 1000 vacuum tubes. That means one transistor can do the work of 1000 vacuum tubes. That means the computer which contains 60,000 vacuum tubes, instead of 16,000 vacuum tubes, we can do the same capacity of work by using the 60 transistors. Okay, so now first generation of computer use vacuum tube period 1946 to 1958. That means all the computers which was produced between 1946 to 1958 is called the first generation of computer. ENIAC, UNIBC, EDBC, EDSAC, ABC, all are the example of the first generation computer. It looks like a huge in size, like this building. Okay, and the second generation computer was smaller than the first generation of computer. It was more portable. It produces less heat than the first generation of computer. After some days, that means after 5 years, scientists developed another technology that is called third generation of computer. Third generation of computer. Third generation of computer. Period 1965 to 1974. Technology. IC means LSI. IC stands for integrated circuits. Integrated circuits. And LSI stands for large scale integration. Large scale integration. Now we are going to discuss about the third generation of computer. The computer produced between 1965 and 1974 is called the third generation of computer. Very simple definition. All those computers which was invented between this period, that means in 9 years, is called the third generation of computers. And this type of computer used the IC with LSI. It used more advanced technology by replacing transistor with LSI. That means it is the update technology of transistor, latest technology of the transistor. And one transistor, one LSI, अर्थात one LSI can do the work of 100 to 200 transistors. Very important thing here is given. That means 1000 vacuum tube, one transistor can do the work of 1000 vacuum tubes. So computer made too much small, portable, less generated, faster, reliable, and third generation of computer is more than second generation of computer, and it is faster, reliable, fast operating speed, and it uses the IC with LSI technology. IC stands for integrated circuit. Circuit means a small chip. LSI stands for large scale integration, which is the small component of vacuum tube and transistors, and it is the latest technology of first generation and second generation of computers, which can be used in the third generation of computers. And one LSI can do the work of 100 and 200 transistors. That means the device, the machine, which uses 500 transistors. Instead of 500 transistors, we can do work in that machine by using only 5 LSIs. 5 LSIs. Okay? After next is fourth generation of computer. Fourth generation of computer. Especially, what is fourth generation of computer? Simply, we can define all the computers which are produced between 1974 periods. The period is fourth generation of computer, 1975 to 1990. This is the period of fourth generation of computer, and it used microprocessor technology. Microprocessor technology. Definition: technology. That means microprocessor is the combination of the millions of the transistors and LSIs. That means it is the latest technology which is used in the fourth generation of computer. It is single chip, which is the combination of the thousands of the transistors and LSIs. Okay? Especially, what is microprocessor? The microprocessor is a small chip which always works in the form of the brain of the human beings. Simple example: human being's brain controls every operations, every configurations of the human beings. Similarly, computer system controls and coordinates all the operations of the computer system, microprocessors. It controls every operations of the computers. This is the fourth generation of technologies. Okay, and what are the benefits then? Fourth generation of computer: smaller in size, large memory, floppy disk used, more reliable, more portable, less generated, many more advantages of the fourth generation of computer. After finally, number 5, fifth generation of computer, which uses fifth generation of computer, which uses the biochip technology, AI, which is called the artificial intelligence, which has the thinking capacity like the human beings. That is called the fifth generation of computer, and we can define it by all the computers which are produced between 1990 to incomplete. That means incomplete is called the fifth generation of computers, which uses the AI. AI means artificial intelligence to handle the capacity, thinking capacity. Okay. Now we are going to stop my tutorial.